but as I swallow deeply. But the mucous membrane is constantly being produced and is constantly migrating, either with cilia in parts of the upper digestive tract or just through the swallow mechanism. So we're constantly swallowing. So anything you put inside is constantly going to go into this protective layer, which, by the way, is hydrophobic or hydrophilic layer, so that the lipid characteristics of essential oils make it so essential oils actually get trapped in this layer, and then the body can deal with it in a safe way. So I guess when it boils down, the mucous membranes have a way to naturally dilute the oil and move it over a space in time so that one area doesn't get too much of the oil. So hopefully that will help you. But generally, I want you to know that I think essential oils are best used in the area where it's needed the most. So for a sore throat, essential oils to soothe the throat would be best applied directly on the throat. And I just want you to know that I'm confident with my family and even with my patients to give them suggestions to use essential oils internally. Not only for use directly for the mouth and the throat, but also getting the oils into your system, into the digestive system, is one of the best ways to have an effect over the whole body. I don't know, Dr. Hill, if sometimes people ask you the question, will essential oils burn holes in my stomach? It was interesting as I was researching this topic and the safety of using oils internally, what I came across was quite a wide body of research, several articles where they used animal models to induce ulcers. And then they tested the essential oils in this model to see what kind of effect they had. Now, they induced these ulcers in these mice and these rats with alcohol at high concentrations and with non-steroidal inflammatory medication at high concentrations. And then in the animals that were also exposed to these oils, many of them were citrus oils or limonene in the citrus oil. One of them was actually even clove oil. They showed a protective effect of the oils, and the actual size of the ulcers created by these other chemicals was reduced in the presence of these oils. So anyway, what I learned from this, and by the way, that one study with clove, I thought it was really interesting. In some of the animals, they actually took the concentration of that essential oil component, eugenol, and they put it to 10 times the concentration that they're seeing this effect, to see if there's any ill effects on the animals. And they didn't see any in that study, which I thought was impressive. Anyway, what I learned from this study is, first of all, don't drink alcohol excessively. Do not use medications inappropriately. Those can burn holes in your stomach, but essential oils might actually help if you have a hole in your stomach.
With that topic, with that subject matter.